I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away?
What's up, you guys? So it's Tuesday and I'm just chilling at home. Obviously I just put some flower arrangements together, a bouquet together, and I used like some tips online to make my flowers last longer because I'm not really good with flowers, y'all. So I'm trying to actually get better because I'm just receiving flowers and my adult life. But yeah, anyways, I am about to have Taco Tuesday night with my fiance. So I'm just about to get ready to start cooking. I'm just gonna lay down for a little bit. But yeah, my eyebrows are looking very good still. My lashes and my locks and my ring. I think it's sparkling. Ooh-wee. So yeah, just chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool, and then shooting some b-ball outside of the school. And there was a couple of guys that was up to no good. They started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got one little fight. My mom got scared and she moved with my auntie and my uncle in Bel Air, so whatever. But y'all, I had whistle for a cab, and when it came near the license plate, it fresh and it had a dice in the mirror. But if anything, I could say this cab was rare, but I thought, man, forget it, you know, we're home to Bel Air. So anyways, I ended up pulling up to the house about 7 or 8. I had yelled to the cab, you know, I'm gonna smell you later. And I was looking at my kingdom. I was finally there, you know, sitting on my throne as a princess of Bel Air. Anywho, let me take a quick little resting nappy type of thing, and I'll see y'all in the next clip. All right, we made it back. Oh, that smell. Something smells weird. Oh, well. They're almost done renovating this one. Can't wait. I just renewed my lease, y'all. I didn't want to, but it's not time yet to purchase a home. Can't wait till, you know, somebody put a rock on my finger. But yeah. Alright, y'all, so we made it to the pool. Here's my little setup. I have my tripod, the products I'm going to be unboxing, my phones and stuff in my bag, and I just need to figure out exactly what background I want. I kind of want the pool as the background, so I might just set it up on this little side table right here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. So let's go ahead and move the tripod and then have the pool as the background right here. I think that's gonna be a good little look So we're just unboxing, taking a few pictures. I did break my nail really bad yesterday. It was bleeding like never before. So just gotta be careful because it does still hurt. Alright, so I'm about to go ahead and unbox it. I really wanted you guys to be propped like this so you can see. But I guess I should have asked DJ to come help me. But anyways, I'm just gonna put you guys right here.
Hello.
Hi. Bien, ma'am? Okay. Yes. Uh-huh. Yeah. Oui. Oh, okay.
I've been here since 2017.
Nice. Very nice.
My mom, me and my mom. But my dad been here more than 2017.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. You just post products on YouTube?
I do a couple things. I do makeup videos, I do hair videos. Right now I'm doing a product unboxing for one of my friend's business. So,
I have TikTok and Snapchat.
yeah.
I used Instagram one time.
Instagram's my favorite.
Yeah, I used it one time. Twitter, I downloaded it, but I didn't do nothing with it. I just downloaded it. And do you know how old I am?
How?
Huh?
How old are you?
You have to guess. How old do I look?
11?
Yeah, people say I look like an 11-year-old. No, I'm not 11.
How old are you?
I'm almost in the double digits.
9?
I'm 9. Next year, I'm going to be 10. Is that supposed to be a soap?
Yeah. She makes it herself. This is a carrot and turmeric soap.
Carrot and turmeric. That's okay. I've always wanted these little camera things so I could do my TikToks.
Yeah? You gotta work hard and save money.
I know. Me and my brother have a piggy bank, and he keeps taking some money from my piggy bank, and I always get mad. Is that camera even filming?
Mm-hmm.
It's filming. It's connected to your phone, right?
That one is separate. This is different. This is for my Instagram. That's for YouTube.
I'm almost 5 feet. I think I am 5 feet. Maybe 5'0". You have TikTok, right?
Yeah.
You post a lot.
Not a lot.
I post a lot.
I post on Instagram more.
I post a lot on TikTok. But I have so many TikTok what's it called again? Accounts. And one of them is really famous.
You have more than one account?
More than 2, more than 3, probably 5. Let's see, how many phones do I have in this house? But I have one phone in my auntie. She got me like a wig. It's like not like a wig, but it's like a wig with like a shape as a bun. She let me have it, and then she gave me 4 nail polish.
Really?
Yeah, and some eyelashes. Fake eyelashes.
What is? The nail polish?
Yeah, if I put one that was nails.
Uh-oh.
Hey, my baby.
Oh.
My baby.
Oh.
In a family.
It's important to learn because there's a lot of water around here in Florida.
At least I know. This is called the snowstorm. It smells so good. I don't want to burn it yet. I'm gonna wait a while before I burn this one. So you're doing the YouTube now?
Yeah. That's that. And then this one is You Are Enough almond rum cake. Hey guys, what's up? So I actually just got home from work and everything, and today officially I reached 4 weeks of working out consistently in the gym. Sorry I'm not in the best mood. A lot has been going on in real life, but nonetheless. So anywho, I reached my 4 weeks in the gym. So I did what I said I was gonna do, and I rewarded myself by purchasing the Beats headphones and the rose gold. Super excited. I got it from Best Buy or whatever. So I'm just about to unbox it really quick while I have some time. Then I'm gonna go spend a little moment with my niece. Today's her birthday, so we are gonna do a quick unboxing.
I long for that feeling